Friends, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good and safe at home. So, my dear students, once again I have come today with one more topic for you all. So, today we are going to learn a different topic, an important topic. This topic is important for all the classes. For you also, it is very important. The topic is WH words. What is the topic? WH words. Shall we start that lesson now? Okay. Now, my dear students, if you observe WH words, you may be thinking, what is this topic? It looks something different, but it is not so. It is very known topic, but for you it may be a new topic. WH, it is a short form of what. I have already mentioned here. You can see what, who, whom, whose, why, which, when, where, how. So these are called WH words. Now, before that, let us see what are WH words. We use WH words to ask a question, to get some information, or to inquire for something. See, in a day, we ask many questions to our parents. We ask many questions to our friends. If you are in a school, you ask questions to your teachers. You ask questions to your friends. So, number of questions we ask on different occasions, different situations. So, here to ask a question, you need a question word. You need a question word. So, that question word is WH word, and question words are WH words. Without these question words, nobody can ask questions. Directly you cannot, or we cannot ask questions. Directly we cannot ask. So to get some information, like when you go to railway station, you want to know when the next train will arrive, or when you go to bus stop, you ask inquiry counter when the bus to your native place will arrive, or when you leave your school, you ask your subject teacher when should you submit your homework. So many occasions we use WH words to ask sometimes a question, to ask some information, or to inquire about something. Suppose if you visit your friend's house, if you do not find your friend at his home, you ask his mother, Aunt, where is your son Rajesh, or where is my friend Rajesh? I want to meet him. I have some work with him. So you inquire about your friend. So here we use on these occasions when you want to ask a question, or when you want to get some information, or when you inquire for some important inquiry or important thing. So we use WH words. I have listed here WH words. You can see as I read, I underlined everywhere. You can see WH. So what starts with WH, who starts with WH, whom starts with WH, whose WH, why WH, which WH, when WH, where WH, how only H, but how also is considered as a question word. It is also part of the WH word. We also use how to ask a question or to ask some information or to know about something. We use how also. So here I have written some questions. See, all these words we use only for asking a question or for asking some information or for asking something. We do not use these words to answer. When we answer something, we do not use and we should not use these words. Only to ask questions, only to get some information, we can use these words. That's why they are called question words or WH words. Question words or WH words. Now here see with what I wrote. What day is today? Now you want to know, you want that information. What day is today? And you will get the answer. Today is Monday. Isn't it? So what day is today? Or today is Thursday. Like that. Second, you see with the who. Now here, who, whom and whose we use for persons. We use for persons. Like here you see, who is your class teacher? Sometimes your father or your mother or your brother, they ask you this question. Who is your class teacher? What is his name or what is her name? Understand? So, who is your class teacher? So, the person wants to know the name of your class teacher. Then your answer is, my class teacher is Rekha Miss or my class teacher is Arvind Sir. You reply. So, you can frame question like this, like who is your best friend? Not only this one question, many questions. Who is your best friend? Who is your close friend? Like you can write many questions by using who. Next, whom also we use for persons. When we want to know some information like whom do you want to meet? We ask whom do you want to meet? అంటే నీవు ఎవరిని కలవాలనుకుంటున్నావు? ఎవరిని కలిసి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నావు? So whom do you want to meet? See, normally it happens when your parent or elder people, they go to school, the clerk or the attender, they ask, whom do you want to meet, sir? Whom do you want to meet, madam? They ask. Then your father or mother, they reply, I want to meet the class teacher of my son who is studying in 7th class or who is studying in 2nd class, like that. So here, whom do you want to meet? Answer also you can write. Next you see, next word is whose. Whose book is this? See, this kind of situation it comes. Idi evari pustakam? Whose book is this? Or whose pen is it? Or whose shirt is that? Or whose bag is it? Whose. So we use whose book is this to get some information. Then you will get an answer. Whose book is this? This is Rahul's book. Or this is Peter's bag. Whose bag is this? This is Peter's bag. Isn't it, children? Next you see, next question word is why. Why are you late to school? With why. With why. Why we use for knowing the reason. Like, why are you late to school? Sometimes your teacher asks this question. Why are you late to school, Naresh? You give some reason. Or why are you laughing here? or why are you sleeping now? Why? Means the person wants to know the reason. Okay? Next, we will go with some more words. Which we use for things, for animals also we use. I have just few more questions here. Which one is your shirt? Suppose, imagine there are some shirts in front of you and a person wants to know which shirt is yours. Then this question will be asked. Which one is your shirt? Then your answer will be, the red one is my shirt. The red one is my shirt. Next, number 7. When do you go to school? With when. Now when is also a WH word. You can see everywhere WH word you will find. WH. Now when. When ante eppudu. When do you go to school? Your answer will be, I go to school in the morning. When do you go to college? I go to college in the afternoon. When do you go to office? I go to office at 10 in the morning. Like that we can answer. Next sentence. Where do you live? Where do you live? నువ్వు ఎక్కడ నివసిస్తావు? ఎక్కడ ఉంటున్నావు? Where do you live? I live at, you will say your place. Or where do you sleep? నువ్వు ఎక్కడ పడుకుంటావు? I sleep at, you can give the place, the name of that particular point, that particular place. Similarly, where is your purse? Where is your drawing sheet? My drawing sheet is on my table. Answer. Now the last sentence, how, with the how. How old are you? With the how also we can ask many questions. How old are you? Normally when the person wants to know your age, they use this sentence. How old are you? Your answer will be, I am 6 years old or I am 7 years old. Same, how much money you spend on your birthday? So I spend a lot of money on my birthday. How much time do you take to complete this work? I will take 1 hour to complete this work. So like this, my dear students, I have given some examples to you, and with the help of these examples, you try to write some more questions, some more sentences. Thank you very much, students, and I wish you all the best and a great learning. Thank you.